I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block explicit songs on Spotify Family Plan accounts. Are you looking to make your Spotify Family Plan safer for younger ears? Managing what your kids listen to is crucial, especially when it comes to explicit content in songs. In this video, I'll show you how to block explicit songs on any account within your Spotify Family Plan. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Spotify.com, and then sign into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Set up your family plan in this menu. The Manage Your Spotify Family Plan screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Plan Members section and then find the person in your Spotify Family Plan that you want to block explicit songs for. Click that person. The next screen shows you options for that user's Spotify account. Step 4. Click to toggle off Play Explicit Content. This user will no longer be able to listen to explicit content on their Spotify account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.